मैं हूं प्रभजोत कौर और आप देख रहे हैं फिल्मी बीट। अभी रिसेंटली हुई है कपिल शर्मा और सुनील ग्रोवर की फाइट, जिसके अंदर सुनील ग्रोवर को कपिल की बातें इतनी ज्यादा हर्ट हुई हैं कि उन्होंने शो छोड़ दिया है। इस लड़ाई के कुछ दिन बाद सुनील ग्रोवर ने एक फेसबुक चैट किया, जिसका एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो हमारे पास है, जो अभी आप देख भी सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर सुनील ग्रोवर भावुक होकर बता रहे हैं कि वो कितने दिनों से जॉबलेस हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये वीडियो और जानते हैं कि सुनील ने जनता के पूछे हुए सवालों का क्या जवाब दिया है।
Hello everyone, this is Sunil Grover. I'm trying the live option after some time, and yes, I'm coming to Chandigarh tomorrow. So for this event by Drishti Events in North Country Mall, Chandigarh Mohali at 7 p.m. With me there'll be Mr. Kiku Sharda, who is my on-screen sister, nanad, bhai, nurse, everything. Hi Rahul, how are you doing, my friend? So I'm coming and to Chandigarh, and let's have lots of fun tomorrow in the show. Are there any people from Chandigarh as well? अच्छा, मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत होगी, मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ। कुछ लोग हैं जो चंडीगढ़ में हैं इस वक्त, और चंडीगढ़ के लोग हैं। हेलो शोना, हेलो आकाश, हेलो दिनेश, हेलो मानसी, हेलो नरेश। नरेश इज आस्किंग मी डब वाली कभी आना है। आई विल कम, मैं डब वाली का ही हूँ, तो मैं आऊँगा ज़रूर, मेरा घर है वहाँ पे। यस, सो let me know if there are people from Chandigarh. Hello, yeah, the first hello from Chandigarh. So I'm coming tomorrow to Chandigarh, and let's have lots of fun in the event. It's in the North Country Mall, which is that's my friend Saurabh sitting there. I'll like to introduce you to Saurabh.
Hi guys.
Let me see if no, Saurabh is not here. Oh, I can change colors as well. I didn't know. So I just pressed button and these colors are changing. So which color do you like? कौन सा कलर अच्छा लग रहा है? ये वाला, ये green, red. I didn't know these options exist. Actually, मेरे को आदत नहीं है ना ऐसे chat करने की. So okay, Saurabh is here. Saurabh, you got to say hello to all my friends.
Hi guys. How are you?
Saurabh is my friend who is not very helpful most of the times, but yes, he is doing this event in Chandigarh. And can you actually listen to me? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है क्या? Oh yes, what a busy day. Thank you so much, Gurkirtan, Diksha. I'm not looking different. Actually, this is how I look. I look different on TV in the show. Just a second. Yeah. So Dinkar is asking, कल मोहाली आ रहे हैं? Yes, कल मैं मोहाली आ रहा हूँ दिनकर। मैं कलर चेंज करता है शिरद सेंधु, और कौन करता है? Love you too, people. Actually, this is very nice. I don't utilize this application much, going live, but this is a lot of fun. Getting to talk to you, getting to see your messages. Yeah. And I'm comfortably sitting. How nice is that? I'm living in a good world where I can talk to you guys. Nela says, I like your acting. Thank you, Nela. Shivani says, I'm in Chandigarh. Even we are very close to North Country Mall. Then why don't you come, Shivani? Come and let's have some fun. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Yes, you asked me that time. Okay, Ajay is saying, Dr. Sab, namaste. Namaste, Ajay. Hi, my friend. Thank you, Arya, for the compliment. Baljinder, thank you. If you like my acting, I like my acting too. Sorry, it was trying to be funny. Okay. Thank you, Pratap. Thanks for the compliment. Yes, Shivam, you're right. As a doctor, I don't rely on technology too much, but now I'll start relying because it's actually very good, very nice. Uh, Technology just have to press one button, go live, and you are live and interacting with such nice, good, great people like you. Hi, Harshika. Thank you. We love you too. Oh, I love you too. Who are we? As in, Harshika, you said we love you. So, who are the others? Please let me know. I am looking at the messages for your reply. Siddhant says, क्या आपको एंटरटेन मांगता है मांगता है yes, even I love that dialogue. क्या मांगता है entertainment मांगता है. I love it. I love saying these lines. And thank you, Arya. If you feel I am looking handsome, I think I'm mediocre looking being, but yes, maybe the hat is doing the trick. Yeah, I have long hair, so to adjust I have to wear this hat. Thank you, Nishal, for loving my work. Thank you, Sunil Rawatji. You have a good name, Sunil. I love this name. Thank you, Varun. Thanks to your mom also, Varun. Thank you, Sam. And thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, my friend. This is a great way to connect, actually. So, are there any people from Chandigarh as well? Okay, I'll show you a painting which is on the right here, if you understand this. And my face is brought to you by this light. Priyanka, yeah, thanks for liking the song. मेरे husband मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. My husband मुझको प्यार नहीं करते. जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया. Okay, thank you, Danish. You seem to know me for a while. Chala Lallan Hero Banne, yes. That the kind of first show on TV which I did. Thank you, Arya. I mentioned your name for the third time. And because Arya is a name, I studied in Arya Vidya Mandir school. So I relate with it. Thanks, Devansh. Devansh. I'll introduce, some new characters as well. But tell me if you don't like the characters that I'm doing. Thank you, Prakhar. Thank you so much, my friend, for the compliment. This is actually a extremely nice medium to connect with you all. I'll use it more often now. मुदित संतोष के भैया मुझे प्यार नहीं करते. Yes, he doesn't love me. नहीं करता है प्यार. Thank you, Shivani. In regards to your mother-in-law and father-in-law and everyone. Yes, I will do Dharampaji's take-off mimicry. I love it. I love him and I love doing his impersonation. Thank you, Ankesh, for the compliment. Thank you, Sajal. Oh, if I inspire you, I don't know how I inspire you, but thank you for getting inspired from me. I hardly know anything, but if you love me so much, thanks for the love. Love you too. Hello, Anmol. Thank you for the love. Anubhav says, मेरे husband मुझको प्यार नहीं करते. I think you're referring to that song which I recently sang. I mean, singing I can't do, but yes, I understand what you mean. Thank you. Thanks, Sheetal, for watching our show in Canada. And सर आई लव यू सब बोलते हैं, लेकिन हम तो आपको ऐसे ही देखना चाहते हैं। महादेव की कृपा हो आप पर। शुक्रिया अजय, आप पर भी महादेव की कृपा हो। I will do Anup some Himachali character sometime, yes. I have some friends from Himachal, so I kind of know little accent, and I love Himachal as a state. It's the most beautiful state. There are mountains and greenery and weather. I love it. Yes, I am coming to North Country Mall, Chandigarh tomorrow at 7 p.m. So if you are from Chandigarh, so you can please come and watch the show in Mohali tomorrow. Yes, and yes, tickets are available on Book My Show. Nisha, thank you for liking the character Gulati, and the new song is awesome. Thank you, Nisha. Thank you for liking. And regards to your mother also, since you mentioned that your mother is a fan, give regards. She's a very, very sensible lady. Thank you, Neeraj, for waiting for my entry. Yes, Vaibhav, I can do something in Gulati's voice. Yes, Mahinder, I look different in my real life and real life because there I'm primarily a man. I weigh about 76 kilos. So, as a woman, I love being a woman actually. I think women are way better than men. So, I feel very nice when I become a woman. Thank you, Nishant. Thank you, Nishant. See you tomorrow in the show, yes. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you so much for all the love and regards. It's lovely being here, actually. I should do it more often. Thank you, Ankur. And oh, that's so sweet of you, Yashdas. Yashas Abuji. If I inspired you, I don't think I'm worth it, but thanks for getting inspired. I also get inspired from so many other people. I think it's vice versa. I don't know what it means. Okay, Gagandeep. Thank you, Gagandeep, for liking all the performances that come through me. Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks, Susanna, for liking our show. Thanks, Rajesh, for calling me Oxygen. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm a gas. I'm not a Dr. Piyush. Yes, I'm an institution. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. If you see any stubble on my face, that means I've been jobless for some days because my job I can't do with this stubble or beard. So I'm almost jobless for past 4 days. श्रवण कुमार शुक्ला जी, जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया, वाईफाई नेटवर्क बंद हो गया। आगे आप अच्छा लाइव नहीं देख पा रहे हैं मुझे। ओ, आपको वाईफाई प्यार नहीं करते। Thanks for liking the video, Sharvan. Thank you so much. Ayush, thank you for watching the जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया. मेरे हस्बैंड मुझको प्यार नहीं करते वीडियो. थैंक यू संधू भाजी, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ. Thank you Pasna if you feel so. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Okay guys, I'm coming to Chandigarh tomorrow in North Country Mall at 7 p.m. See you all there. And a couple of my friends asked me how to be there, so go on book my show and get your passes or tickets or enter to the show. Yeah. Thank you Rishi. Finally for today I'm saying bye bye. And yeah, anything that thank you Jana, thank you Jana Tul Nusrat Khan Sahab, and thank you so much for the love. No, Jana ul Nusrat Khan Sahiba, I'm sorry, I just realized that it's a girl name. Oh, thank you Pranav, thank you so much. Oh, there's so many messages and I have to rush somewhere, so connect with you sometime tomorrow because मैं आपके लिए कुछ लाया हूँ. आप प्लीज़, अगर ये एक मिर्च है, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इसको खा जाऊँ. थैंक यू विशाल, थैंक्स फॉर लाइकिंग माई एक्टिंग. Thank you Ibrar ur Rahman Sahab, thank you so much. You are from Malaysia. I've been there a couple of times. I love that place. Oh Suchi, you've been waiting for this moment and I love you too. Thank you Vartika. Jindagi barbad ho gaya. Thanks for liking the song. Oh, you want to know, my friend wants to know where can I watch this song. You go to YouTube and type Mere Husband or Sunil Grover. That's my real name. So you can type it and you should find it. And let me know, how did you like it? If you liked it, let me know. And if you don't, please don't let me know. Very difficult. Thank you Mudit. Thank you Kondru. Thank you. Thank you Dhara. Thank you Molly. Thank you Mukesh, Vinayak, Pawan, Yunus. I love Kashmir. It's a heaven on earth, as they say. I've been there a couple of times. I love that place. I wish to come this year also for a few days and spend some time. And yes, thank you Anmol. Thanks for your compliment. Meenakshi, I love you too. Thank you Saurabh. And now I'm saying bye bye. Difficult to answer every question because I have to rush and see you soon guys. Bye bye, take care. I'll connect with you all soon. Yeah, thanks for typing so many compliments, and sorry I could not answer all the questions that you asked me because there's so many. I wish I could, but yes, most of the messages are complimenting me, and I mean it. I love you too. Thanks for, and I didn't reply your message, but I'll read all in some time. And yeah, thanks for the love. जिंदगी खुश हो गया.
फिलहाल इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. बॉलीवुड और टेलीविजन की तमाम बड़ी खबरों को जानने के लिए देखते रहिए फिल्मी बीट.